WhatsApp connecting problem iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the WhatsApp connecting problem on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the connecting problem on iPhone on the WhatsApp app, it could be due to a couple of reasons. Firstly, that what you can try to do is if it gets stuck in connecting just like this, what you can try to do is first check your internet connection. So check whether or not you're using a reliable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to mobile data or vice versa. Right. Second thing you can try to do is open up settings, and then simply go to general, then you can go to iPhone storage, and from here you can look for WhatsApp, then choose to offload the app. Don't worry, this will not delete any of your chats, any of your history. This will only delete the app without deleting the data. So when you reinstall the app, everything will be there. And last but not the least, I want you to simply check if your WhatsApp app has an update on the App Store, and if it does, just make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve your problem. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.